Oké.
Kunnen we eerst even oefenen?
Ja. Why is Ormit Talent a great place to work?
Because the company has a really open culture. Because of the people, I would say, is like the main component.
I think everybody's friendly here, the people from the staff, but also the trainees. It really energizes me when I'm walking into this office and somebody says, "Oh, hey Maxime, how are you doing? How was your weekend?"
Ormit Talent is a great place to work because you get the opportunity to come into an environment that's really open with a lot of people of the same age. You get to learn a lot.
Each day is a day where you can learn and grow. You can learn from your colleague, you can learn from your friend, you can learn from multiple different perspectives.
And it's also a place where you're really allowed to try things, to make mistakes.
Also, I love the fact that we have coaching, where we have a person that is here to listen to us and adapt if needed.
I feel like I get supported a lot by my coach.
And also with the staff, I think I've been here now for like 2 months and I've already made like some really good friends.
I personally don't know what I want after my studies, and Ormit is a great place to discover what you like and what you don't like about work.
Dat was echt wel goed. Dat was echt goed.
And also there is place to laugh, to have fun. Even though we all work hard, I think, we still have time to laugh and to make fun.
I would also think that it's a great place to work for everyone because we encourage everyone to follow their dreams, their passions, men, women. Everyone is welcome here, so that's a thing that I find very important and that you really feel here. Yeah, there is no judgment here, everyone is welcome, everyone can try, can fail, can learn, can develop him or herself, so yeah, that's really great about it.
Top.